broken glasses. So yeah, you just need to tilt it. There's only 2 guacamole singles. Looks like it doesn't have that much in here. There's like open pasta in here. It doesn't look like we threw a lot this time. Soft papaya. Oh wow, this is big.
Wow.
Salmon.
Yeah. Nice.
$17.69. I thought it's just a small one.
No, it's family pack.
And a flour. Oh. My shoes got
Freeze by
Very
today,
good.
it says. So,
and
so
I
fresh.
saw this air fryer, but I don't know where's the
Might as well keep
So-
the book. We might find the fryer.
unless somebody got here before us. Maybe under here. I just need to dig it. Yeah, it's right here. Yeah, it's right there. This is what you wanted.
Might have to step over there to get it.
It's heavy. Ouch.
Yeah, you have to get closer.
Every time I pull the plastic bag, it gets ripped up. Heavy. Air fryer. Oops, dirty plastic bag. So I'll just remove it from the plastic bag. It's dirty. Dirty.
Power cord, still wrapped in plastic also.
Yeah. Do you think we need more than that?
I don't know. Wait, take a
Chicken breast.
It's like all the main parts. There may be a tray or something also for it.
The what?
There may be a tray that goes inside it or a pan. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I found it next to that chicken fryer.
5-pound box of chicken breast tenders. Not opened. That'll go well in the air fryer.
Yeah. Okay, we can bring this.
Manzanas.
Yeah, you can move it. one rotten.
Oh, one badass. There's some pork tenderloin there.
I'll check. This box is for sure heavy because there's a lot of, there's a apple. That's it, but I'm happy. We got the air fryer. That's what you wanted.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I want that. I want that.
This?
So ito yung chicken and
No, that's candy. No more candy today.
I want candy.
Ow! I said no. You want here? Want some this? You can have these.
No,
Okay.
I don't want it.
Okay, then don't have it.
So ito yung chicken na nakuha,
I want it.
5 pounds box. Sarado pa yung box niya. Buksan na. At niluluto niya na.
Look better.
So, ay, yung iba niluto niya na, yung iba ayan yung natira. So, ito yung nakuha. Bagong-bagong air fryer. Nakalagay pa to sa plastic eh. Tinanggal lang namin sa plastic kasi marami yung plastic. So, ito yung kanyang instruction manual. Tapos, naka-plastic pa yung loob. May cardboard pa doon sa loob. Itatry namin siyang gamitin ngayon. Ipapry ng nakuha rin naming fried chicken. May balot pa tong cord dito. So, ayan na yung air fryer. Ginagamit na siya ngayon. Sorry sa background, magulo.
Freshly baked chicken breast tenderloins. 5 pounds. Fresh from the oven. Here's our chicken, fresh from the air fryer. That's the rest of our 5 pounds. Looks awesome.
So, may pasta. Bukas yung box nitong pasta. Pero mukhang maganda pa sa loob. So, hugasan na lang pag lutuin. And then, may pork tenderloins. Ang expired nito ay, ang nakalagay sell date, 10/28. So, nag-expired na siya. Campus na lang. Meron ding Coke in cans. 4 na maliliit na lata. Can. Merong apples. So, Gala apple. 2 bags ng apples yung nakuha ko lahat. So, 2 bags. And then, may 2 container ng grapes. 2 containers red grapes. Meron ding mga salad. Bale, 4 na salad lahat yung nakuha. Bags ng salad. Broccoli. 2 pirasong broccoli. Itong isa medyo malaki-laki. And then, bread. Ito, nag-expire nung nakarang araw pa. Ito, nag-expire kahapon. And this, nag-expire din kahapon. So, kakampus na lang. And rose. Pink rose. Medyo lanta lang. And spinach, baby spinach, isang piraso. And tomatoes, 2 bags ng tomatoes. So, 2 tomatoes. Meron ding tapioca, pudding. So, may guacamole, maliit na container. Ito naman malaki. Expired pa to ng nung nakaraang araw pa nung nag-expire. Ito mga black bean salad, mga nakaraang araw pa rin nag-expired. So, 2 piraso. And then, lunch pang bata. And, salmon, malaking salmon. So, expired to ng, kahapon nag-expired. Pero sealed pa siya. So, ganyan kalaking salmon. Family pack na salmon. So, another guacamole. So, 2 piraso nito. And another lunch na pang bata. So, 2 piraso din ito. So, mga saging. Marami-rami rin tong saging. Laging present yung saging. Hindi ko na mapakita lahat. Nahawak-hawak ko. So, ayan lahat yung nakuha. May bulaklak pa doon. And mga bananas. Laging present yung bananas.